Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. We go to 31st. Yeah, excellent. The last batch of our question. Okay, good. Okay, talk about which one requires ATP in photosynthesis. You know, photosynthesis is a long journey. So we split into two parts. Okay, one is the first part. The light appears, so we call it a light dependent part, and the other part is a light independent part. This separation is very important because in the first part, light appears, we use the light energy. Yeah, all the thing happen in the first part, we use light energy. And then later on, we transform this light in energy, and then we use ATP appears, okay? We use the ATP to produce the glucose in the second part, okay? So you will find out, okay, when do we requires, it means the use of ATP is the second part, like independent processes. So you need to remember where are they, okay? Where are they? Do they absorb light? If absorb light, of course, it's light dependent procedure. They are using light to make ATP, okay? If they don't need light, okay, then probably they are using the ATP to do the other work, okay? Okay, so first one, the splitting of a water molecule. Where is it? A or B? Dependent or independent? First, really the first procedure, right? Splitting the water molecule by absorbing light energy and producing ATP. So this one is a produce ATP. So wrong. Two, the regeneration of the repressors by phosphate, RUBP. Yeah, it's part of the process to produce glucose. Kelvin cycle. Right? Kelvin cycle is the light independent one. So it's the B part. Okay, we need ATP. No more sunlight. Okay, good. So two is correct. Number three. Okay, the maintenance of a protein gradient between the tentacle and then space and the stoma. This part is is the light dependent one. Right? Rice is also a light dependent one. Okay, also produce ATP. Okay, not using ATP, so it is wrong. So the answer is two only, B. So sometimes remember the name. The name tell you something. Light dependent, using light energy to produce ATP. Light independent, no more lights. Okay, in the processor, so use ATP to produce glucose. We're done with it. Well done, guys. Okay, see you.